as you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Love me your body, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this hair, of course. This is my Sunber wig. Sunber actually sent me over this wig like a month ago or 2 months ago. I don't even remember, but I had lost like the packaging because I took it out of the packaging, and then I had the wig there and I really wanted to put it on, but I didn't know who the company was. But it's Sunber because they did message me and ask me about it. So yeah, this is Sunber hair. This hair is super gorgeous. I'm gonna show you guys today me installing it and also how I just moisturize it really quick. If you guys watch my channel, I already know the deal, but if you see my TikTok with this hair, make sure you comment down below a bird and I'll know you see my TikTok. Look at that, it's so moisturized. I'm gonna show you guys how I install it and everything, and if you are interested in this wig, I will have the links down below so you guys can get it. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Well, I'm trying out a new camera, that's what's going on. So I'm just slicking back my edges. If you hear any background sounds, Jacob's watching a cartoon. So I feel like we already know exactly what I like to do when I'm applying a wig, but just in case anybody is wondering about this wig, that's why I'm making the video, so you guys can check the description box for this exact wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and just like do my process and stick the wig down, and then I'll come back. Okay, and then I'm gonna just wipe my skin with some alcohol just to make sure that this thing sticks. I did not bring a wig cap downstairs, so I'm not using a wig cap today. This is the wig. It's a brown highlighted wig. This is from Sunber hair. I don't know if the camera is showing the true tones, but there's like darker browns and then lighter browns. I absolutely love how this is looking. Yeah, that's the wig I'm applying today. I'm gonna use Ebin. I always use Ebin. I'm applying 4 layers. Wait, let me put on the wig. I did not cut the ear tabs off yet. Oh, it's definitely giving Beyonce.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the one by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry, yo. Alibigo and shadow, 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 I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings still they swing like Django Lover. Feelings still they swing like Timbanik at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do? Timbanik at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life, my ayo. Don't cry, yo. Alibigo and shadow, 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 Alibigo and shadow. Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a G for the bong, bong, bong. Your body kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fe, I'm a dead jugger there. Fine, no bugger there. Watch your love for like it. Why not more there? Your body, check it. Bush it ready, yeah, imade. Double dose, kilo fe. Why now, my lady? Tell me what's in there, but
need you now. Yeah. I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming.
Guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. It's like 90% dry or like 85% dry, but it's gonna be dry. It's gonna be 100% dry really soon, because this is the kind of hair, because it's so like not too dense, it's gonna be easy to dry because it's light and flowy. This is Sunber hair. Make sure you check out the links in my description box. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, if you like this hair. I feel like I really like this hair. It's a brown highlighted look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Say your body talk to me nice. Say